Hey everyone, this is Stephen KC Railfan, and welcome to another model railroading video. Today I'm going to be doing a how-to video because this is a video that I've been watching all over YouTube because I see lots of videos of this, so I thought I'd make my own video. So this video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean your locomotive wheels. Because sometimes, have you ever had a locomotive that you had for a long time and you never got around cleaning their wheels? Well, I'm going to show you how you do this. So it's a very easy step. So the first thing you're going to need is this. You're going to need your rubbing alcohol. So here's the one I have. You can use, because I usually recommend ones that are like 91% ones, because you can use something like these. You can find these like at your local drugstore or your grocery store, like drugstores like Walgreens, or you can find them at Walmart or your local grocery store. You can have this. There's that. And then the locomotive I'm going to be cleaning, the wheels I'm going to be cleaning, is my Operator CSX ET44AH number 3420. I think I've had this unit since 2018, and I've never gotten around cleaning the wheels of it, so I'm going to do that. And the next thing are your paper towels. So I have 4 sheets, but I split into 2. So there's that. So those are basically the steps you need to clean your locomotive's wheels. So I'm going to show you guys how to start cleaning them. Okay, so the first step for what I usually do is basically I just fold my paper towels like this in half. So then I'm going to be opening this up, my alcohol, and you just basically pour some alcohol on the place that you plan to clean your wheels. So basically just put as much as you can. Like here's what I did. You can see I have the alcohol on the paper towel. So there's that. So now we're gonna head to the tracks and then we'll start cleaning the wheels. Alright, so here it is. So basically what you have to do is set the locomotive onto the tracks with its trucks on the alcohol of the paper towel, and then all you gotta do is just apply track power to run it. So usually you have to do this for at least 20 to 30 seconds, but I'm going to do 30 seconds on this one. So you just set it up like this and let it run. So I just put track. So you do this, then you have to try counting to 30. So alright, so it's been about 30 seconds, so we take it off. Now we'll do the other side. So I'm just going to flip it around. Now we're going to do the front trucks, so we're going to do the same procedure as always. So here goes. So there it is. So now that the wheels are cleaned, let's just take it off and see the result. So there it is. So there it is. That's basically the amount of dirt. It wasn't much dirt on the locomotive, but that's basically it. That's basically all the dirt it was on my CSX 3420. So there it is. So that's basically, you can see the remnants of it. So here it is. So now we're going to see how it runs. Oh, sorry, I just need to change the points. So we'll see. So There's that. It's running a lot smoother than before. So there it is. So usually the reason why you gotta clean your locomotive wheels is sometimes if the wheels are so dirty, it could cause like short circuits and causing your train to not run smooth enough. And this also goes the same for cleaning track, but for when you clean track, you don't use alcohol. You basically just buy a simple track cleaner or a track cleaning car of your choice from your local hobby shop. So this is basically a way how you clean your locomotive wheels. So you basically just need the locomotive you want to clean, the paper towel, then the alcohol, rubbing alcohol you need. So that's basically how you clean your locomotive wheels. So hope you guys find this video helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, have a good day everybody.